I'm Ed Godfrey. I'm the owner of Godfrey and Company, licensed building contractor.
Godfrey and Company is not just a renovation company. We are an architectural design build company. We take the architecture into consideration. We take the client into consideration. We take the house into consideration.
There's a lot of heart here. When we look at a customer's project, it's as if we're doing that project in our own house. There's nobody that catches the details the way we do.
When I started working with Godfrey, they were head and shoulders above the rest. This is what blew me away. They cared.
We knew by the time we got to the project, every little thing that was going to happen. We knew down to the doorknobs, down to everything.
They didn't laugh at, our thought process. I mean, they made us feel like we knew what we were doing, which often on we did not. So we were just grateful that they did.
What makes Godfrey different is the people that work for us.
We are all dedicated to the project, and we all collaborate a lot as a group and as a team.
We all bring our own special uniqueness to the table. One of us doesn't have it, the other one does.
Here at Godfrey, we believe in quality in, quality out. We use the best project management software to collaborate with the customer, because many of our customers are here part-time. Oftentimes, we're going to do their construction while they're up north. Well, they can monitor the project, they can see photographs, they can see daily postings, they can see the activity that's happening, they see the schedule. How many contractors show the customer the schedule? By the time that we have that contract ready, we know every single thing that's going into it, we know what it's going to cost, and our customer gets a fixed price contract.
We knew before that first nail went in what our pricing was, and that was really an important aspect to us.
Don, Ed, Anthony, they are brilliant at what they do.
They take the time, the energy, the effort, and have the skill.
So very happy, so we absolutely would recommend them fully.